be a real estate agent only took one class. And I said, 10 years to be a doctor or lawyer, or one class.
This is what I believe. I'm sharing that with you for nothing. Just get out there and succeed.
Okay guys, so I'm about to sign 150 of my books just to give away after this speech.
So pretty much,
wow.
This is what we're gonna have, and this is for the panel.
Right.
That is gonna be after you.
Okay.
But as soon as we go in, like around 5:45,
yeah,
the president and the vice president are gonna talk for maybe 10 minutes, no more than that.
Okay.
Sharp at 6, you're gonna start.
Cool. Okay, just took a look at the where we're gonna do the speech, and I'm gonna finish signing these books.
How you guys doing? Good. Are you excited to be here? Yeah. So I dropped out and I realized something, I don't know where I found it, but I realized that to be a real estate agent only took one class. And I said, 10 years to be a doctor or lawyer, or one class. Next time you're talking to your best friend, your mom, your dad, your cousin, your brother, I want you to take a mental snapshot of that moment in time when you're talking to your mom. And I want you to just take a moment and think about how comfortable she is with you, how comfortable you are with her, the tone of your voice, the relaxedness, the calmness, the body language. When you're talking to prospects, you're like, turn it up. When you're talking to your mom, you're like, hey mom, what's up? Right? The hey mom, what's up is how you need to talk to your prospects. If you watch me make live calls on YouTube, that's what I say. These are my family, because I don't even know them. I'm treating them like family. I want to help them. Right? And that's what should tear away all of your fear of all of this. The confidence in yourself that you're there to help. Every time you lose a deal, it hurts. Right? Losing deals are the greatest thing that can ever happen to you. I did sign up 150 of these a while ago that I'm giving you guys for free. Thank you so much.
Okay guys, so it is 9 o'clock. I'm just getting back. We just landed in Pensacola. They got me parking way out here in the middle of the boonies. I guess all the parking lots were full. Just got back from Charlotte. Had an incredible time. Saw my friend Lee Brown. Shout out to Lee Brown. Another one of the good guys out there. Incredible story, incredible inspiration, incredible coach. A lot of respect for Lee. I look up to you, Lee. And anyway, just had a really good time. I left about 10 o'clock, left the office about 10 o'clock, worked for 2 hours. Drove to the airport, hopped on a plane. Plane left at 1. Got to Charlotte at 3:15. Got to the event, got set up, signed 150 books, took a bunch of pictures, and delivered my speech. This whole coaching, inspiration, motivational, helping people thing that I got going on, it's super humbling. I mean, people coming up to you, telling you how much you helped them, you know, how they're making, you know, all this money and getting all these listings and doing all these deals because of what you're sharing. It is just, words can't describe how good it makes me feel to know that what I'm doing is really helping people. So thank you guys so much. About to drive about an hour to the house. Carlin's got a nice little to-go plate for me, some snapper, some grilled snapper and vegetables. But anyway, I love you guys. We'll talk to you later. Peace.